Changing your business category on REC Solar is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your business is correctly categorized. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the REC Solar website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your business profile. Step 2. Navigate to Business Profile. Secure your account before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Business Category. In your business profile, look for the option to edit or change your business category. Click on this option to view the available categories that you can choose from. Step 4. Choose New Category. Review the list of business categories and select the one that best fits your business operations. Ensure that the category you choose accurately reflects the services or products you offer. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new business category, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your new category is applied to your profile. By following these steps, you can easily update your business category on REC Solar. Keeping your profile current helps ensure that potential customers can find you more easily.